Hello, my name is Ashlynd and I'm here today representing Club Sparkle. Club Sparkle is a lifestyle company that specializes in wellness and beauty products that are very successful in Japan, and now we're making our way into America. I wanted to get on video today and share some information about our health and beauty drink, EverYoung. This unique Japanese formula is the #1 health and beauty beverage that has impacted thousands of lives. For the first time, it's now available in America for you to enjoy too. EverYoung is what we call our feel-great beverage. It's a breakthrough product for the wellness and beauty industries. It contains over 30 superior ingredients that are great for hair, skin, nails, joints, health, youth, beauty, anti-stress, and so much more. This proprietary formula contains a full spectrum of health-enhancing nutrients to help replenish, balance, and bring natural energy to the body. In addition to energy, focus, and beauty, enjoy weight management and anti-stress benefits. There are plenty of ways to enjoy EverYoung, and I'm going to demonstrate the simplest way to do that now. I like to add 2 rounded scoops of EverYoung into a glass of water before my workout. It's easy to incorporate EverYoung throughout the day too. It has a light citrus taste, so it works perfectly with your smoothies, over pastries, even ice cream. I know that you'll enjoy these benefits just as much as myself and thousands of others do. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below.